Okay, so it says I am red and my luminosity is between 10 to 2/3, 10 to the third, 10 to the negative second power, and 10 to the negative 3. So it's somewhere here. And then it says it has a temperature of 3000. So it's about here. So these are main sequence stars because they fall in here. Okay, so now we're on our next one, and it says I am yellow, so I know it's going to be in this area here. It's in between 10 and 3, 10 to the third power and 10 to the fourth power, so I know it's right in this area. And it says my temperature is 6000, which would be right here, so I know it's probably a giant. Oh, super giant. Oh, might be here then. Okay. Next, it says I am red, so I know I'm in this area here. It says my luminosity is between 10 to the 10 to the second and 10 to the third. So we're in this area. Oops. We're in this area. Oops, put it down. And it says my temperature is 3000, which would be about here. So I know I'm here. So it's a giant. Okay, so it says I am yellow. So I know that I'm in this area here. Always yellow. It says my luminosity is between 10 to the negative third, which would be in this lower section, and 10 to the negative fourth. So between the two would be in this area. Oh, keep drawing not straight lines. And it says my temperature is 8000. So 8000 is probably in this area. So that is a white dwarf. It says, oh, our next one says I am red, so I know I'm going to be in this area here. My luminosity is between 10 to the 10 to the second power and 10 to the third. So I know that it's in this area. And it says my temperature is 2500. So I would say it belongs to the giants. Okay. And we're almost done, it looks like. I am white, so I know we're in this area. Whoops, white is this area. My luminosity is between 10 to the fifth and 10 to the sixth. That's kind of high. So it's in this area here. And my temperature is 10,000. So we fall into the supergiant category, and we're finished.